Yeah, there's nothing here. There's an old shed, but there's certainly no cars here. I'm glad I didn't drive that far really, because if I did, I'd be quite pissed off. But you know, some old buildings. A lot of old buildings here, so you never know. There's no cars. There's a tree. No cars. There's a kayak. Sorry, canoe. I apologise. What am I doing with my life? What am I doing with my life? You can tell that there probably was cars here, but certainly not now. It's mad, isn't it, how these types of areas just get left? I mean, it's a bloody good unit, this would be. Okay, granted it's got asbestos roofing and a lot of it. It's a good space, a really good space. God, check myself then. Thought there was some dead dude there, look. Definitely look like some dead dude. There's some proper retro Nikes they are though. Some proper cool Nikes they are. But apocalyptic area. So this may have been where there were some old cars, but certainly not anymore. So we found the car location. It wasn't the side I was looking at, it was the other side, but give me a sec. So there's a house, but I don't know if anybody lives in the house, so I don't want no one coming out and attacking us. But let's just check the house out first. Right there, so we were looking over the wrong side of the road. Now that's what you call a bloody good Christmas tree. That beats Home Alone's Christmas tree. And do you know what's under this Christmas tree here? That would be an amazing present for me. Come on, thank you to the chap that gave me this location. He has gave me a Christmas present. What a present. Before I get too excited and start being really loud, I'm going to check the RV out first. I don't like this area, ladies and gentlemen. You get some locations that feel really, you feel comfortable in the area, the presence of the area. But this location I don't feel very comfortable at all really. There's new cars here. I mean, yeah, it's an 04, but it's still a new car compared to the Range Rover there. Got a ZT MG here. They're really good cars. She's been there a week or two, hasn't she? Do you know the mad thing about this location? Up the road is an abandoned house that I checked out, and I think I was on the road for about 7 hours, like driving all over the place to the locations, and I was just pissed off. I was heading back home and I seen this house. I pulled over to look at this house and it was just still a shitty location, so I was even more depressed. I drove past this place without even knowing it's here. Just goes to show you got to keep your eyeballs open. So I don't really like looking at newer cars. Oh, she's stubborn. D10 DED. She's definitely dead. Got a side of a Range Rover here too. There's a garage over there that looks very interesting. Ford alloy, Ford Focus on a trailer. It's been there for a very long time by the looks of it. I mean, this is pretty accessible, and you can see, I mean, this here coming up the road, if you look for the woods, you'll see this straight away. Good old Z-Tech. We'll have a better look around in a second. I mean, I don't know why that Ford Focus door's open. Got an old Fabia there. Yeah, she's been open a while, definitely. She smells as well. Oh, look at this. Now this shouldn't be here. Last on the road in, again, we don't know, because they changed it over 14, 15, didn't they? And then we've got this Ford Mondeo St. Nice car, very nice car. Not sure why she's here again, but not really my business, but it's still there. Right then, this shed, and the first thing I see sticking its nose out is a Porsche. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Is that a 924? I could have bought a 924S a while back. Yeah, it's definitely a 924. Yeah, I could have bought one a while back, a 924S, but it just wasn't meant to be. Again, 2014. And look at this, a cool little Peugeot, 2013. There's a theme going on here, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and let's put a little I can't think what these things are called now. Like a Caterham or something. What a nice little hidey way. So to the chap that gave me this location, yeah, it is a 924. It's a 924S. Porsche. So to the chap that gave me this location, thank you very much. I won't be giving no names out, and this location will not be given to anybody. But yeah, what a cool little location. See if we can open the door. These are some heavy gates. These are some heavy duty gates. Some nice pine gates. No, she's locked. Doesn't surprise me because it's a look at those wheels though. I love these Porsche style wheels. She's been sitting a good while though. You can just tell all the build up around the wheels. 924S. Yeah, not really a fan of that. Really, I don't like this because I feel like someone's going to jump out on me. Oh, the oil's nice and clean. Smells nice too. It's a bit brown, but you know, could do with an oil change and a service. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Love to do I'd love to do a winner start on this. Is she open this side? Chances are being no. Nope. Oh god, nearly went there. Yeah, 924S. Wow. And then I've just stabbed myself in the back of my leg. And then we've got this thing here. See, there's that many. It's like a 7, isn't it? There's that many different types and models of these. That they're hard to figure out which is which. So this is a similar one here. What's this one? This is a silver, SYLVA silver. I've never seen this type of kit card before, but it's a good one. Then we've got this little cute 205 GL. This is definitely got to be open. I told you. The mileage on this. Oh girl, she is. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see? 66,000. Has got the original tape cassette. It's got a radio, CD player. But she doesn't look that bad. She needs a bit of work, but I'd still definitely rock this. This old girl. 1,000,000%. She's holding her own, which is good. She's a good girl. Oh, that's a bit black. Yeah, got the original jack there. Yeah, this place is giving me the uneasy feelings. It's not a very nice place. I don't know. It just feels a bit. Let's cover this. Just cover this up. Oh god, this one's broken. If this is broken, I can't do that up. But I wouldn't call it a barn find, more like a lean-to find. But a Porsche. That's pretty cool. That's cool. It's kind of made the trip worth it. So again, thank you to the chap that gave me this location. Let's look at these other cars in a bit more detail now that we've recorded the best. I'd say the best. Yeah, I think the Porsche is probably the best car here. Range Rover really, but don't tell the Porsche that much. Right then, got this big RV here, which is I'm not going to go inside it. I mean, these were weird looking machines, weren't they? 2012 was the last time this was seemingly taxed. Look at that look, what a shame for this VRS. Is she open? Probably not. And she is. Can't tell the mileage because it's digital, but look at this. I don't know why this thing's sat here. It's a bit of a shame, don't you agree? Doesn't smell bad. I do like the grey leathers. It's got the book pack there of obviously all the information. Oh, what a shame for this VRS. Oh, my poor girl. My poor girl. Clearly you're open. Oh, those clocks. Overfinch? No. This is not an Overfinch. Is this an Overfinch? Is this an Overfinch, ladies and gentlemen? Or is it just a make Overfinch one? Look at the dials. But look at those dials. How fancy is that? Overfinch. There's me mentioning Overfinch in the last video. Overfinch. Look at that bloody rush sole there. What a shame. Oh my god, I'm stuck. What a shame, my old girl. There's a blue lake there. I mean, these bonnets are so lightweight. It's bloody shocking. I mean, you ever tried lifting a Capri bonnet up? It takes 15 people to lift one of those. Yeah, she's been clearly worked on, but then subsequently been given up on. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. And then back to this this MG. Handbrake's off on them all, which is pretty good. But yeah, it's a shame. It's a shame for this car because these are becoming rarer. Oh, look at this side, look at this side. She's been here a good while. It's LPG as well. Everything's falling down on her. She's last on the road in 2014, so it's hard to tell, like I say again, because of the changeover. For the moss setting in. She's been here a good while under these trees. It's madness, isn't it? It's absolutely madness how these cars go. This is a good car as well. I mean, I wouldn't mind having one of these. Right, we've been here long enough now. Is this ST open? Probably not. Nope, she's not. In the glove box there's a little old smiley long wheelbase transit van. I so want to have a look at that. That's pretty cool, that is. I like that. That's a cool little find in itself. Has this got all 4 wheels on, or got a spare on? It's all got all 4 wheels on, plus a spare in the boot. So she's got 5 alloys. Right then, let's look at the one that I'm crying to look at. Crying over because I don't want to look at it because, oh, here she is. I so badly want one of these. This is just one of my dream cars. Forget your Lamborghinis, forget your Porsches and your Maserati, all that crap. I want one of these. So if my channel ever blows up and I do get the million subs, your man's going to be cruising around in one of these, and not even an LPG system on it, just pure V8 power, cruising everywhere I go. Even just everywhere I'm going to cruise in one of these. I don't care. It's got to be a 2-door though. I'm saying that, I don't mind the 4-door. Oh, you poor lady. So the roof's been sealed. Suppose that's a good thing. See all these little dents? This has been in a hailstorm. Can you see it? There's no big trees up here. No, this has been in a hailstorm, this has. The bonnet hasn't suffered though. Oh yeah, it's got a few little indentations on it. But yeah, this car's been somewhere that's had some pretty big hailstorms. I may be wrong. Can you see all the little indentations? There's hundreds of them. Is she open? She's open, but she stinks. She's full of mould. And this hasn't been open in a long time because I've just broke the cobwebs. $141,000, so she's been used, but for the year about still low, relatively low mileage. God, she's so rotten inside. Look at the roof lining. God, she's oh, this is heartbreaking, this is. I can't look anymore, I'm sorry. This is how they make cars back in the day. Made them properly. This door's not even shut properly. It's shut now. Range Rover Vogue. Litchfield. So then I've just been walking around taking pictures of her. It is the perfect gift for me anyway, under a Christmas tree. Although I can't take it with me, I can't have it, I can't own it. It's still a gift. That's a Christmas tree. That's a Range Rover. That's a perfect combination for me. Wow. Anyway, we're gonna call it quits on this location now. So again, thank you for the chap that gave me this location. I don't know if this is long enough for a full video, but what I will do is I will say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, if it's long enough, that is. If not, I'll be back in shortly for something else to add to it, but I'm going to say bye now anyway. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't limit yourself, and until next time, keep car hunting, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.